Welcome to Roam Tips. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, along with any exclusive offers, can be found in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using Keeper for Teams. Today, we're diving into Keeper for Teams, a password manager designed specifically for businesses and teams that collaborate. We'll explore why Keeper is a leading choice for protecting and organizing your organization's sensitive digital information. Keeper for Teams offers enterprise-level security without sacrificing user-friendliness. A key feature is its zero-knowledge encryption. This means your data is always encrypted, even Keeper itself can't see your passwords. Integration with existing identity providers like Azure AD, Okta, and Google Workspace simplifies onboarding and management for IT administrators. Secure sharing is paramount. Keeper for Teams allows team members to share credentials securely without jeopardizing security. Role-based access controls ensure that each user accesses only necessary data, restricting sensitive information to authorized personnel. Keeper's robust reporting and auditing capabilities are another standout. Admins can create detailed logs to track password health, access attempts, and potential security gaps, helping maintain compliance with industry standards. For security-conscious businesses, Keeper integrates with tools like CM Systems and dark web monitoring. These integrations provide alerts about compromised credentials, adding an extra layer of protection. Keeper for Teams is exceptionally user-friendly. Its intuitive interface works seamlessly across desktops, mobile devices, and browser extensions, providing convenient access wherever you work. The Vault's autofill feature streamlines logins, boosting team productivity and eliminating login hassles. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Keeper for Teams scales to fit your needs. Its competitive pricing and adaptable features make it a worthwhile investment in safeguarding your company's digital assets. That concludes our Keeper for Teams review. Explore the links in the description to learn more or start using Keeper today. If you've used Keeper, we'd love to hear about your experience in the comments below. Thank you for watching.